Soyee just sent me this really cool kids magnet tile set. This set's really awesome. My kids don't have this one yet. This is a construction set and they absolutely love it. Their favorite part here are the roads. It has some turns that you can go ahead and do and some straightaways, and there's some crossways too that you can go ahead and do. They love building like a little city with this, and they use the construction trucks to put that together. So let me go ahead and show you some of the other parts. It has 2 different vehicles here. It does come with different windows for the vehicle, so you can go ahead and put those together. It's really fun. And then it has crane tops that you can put on the back, and these are cool too because they do adjust. And they can go ahead and just stick on whatever the kids are building. They can go ahead and stick it onto there and they can drive those around. And it's so much fun to use those to build the city with. It comes with little people that they can go ahead and little construction workers they can put around the town. So many different fun aspects. It also comes with these little things here that you can go ahead and you pop them right into some of the magnet tiles. And it creates little windows. They have ones here that have little hinges, so you can have little doors, windows. This is really, really cool. You don't see this in a lot of sets. It comes with like your different triangles. I have ones that has little shingles on it for roofs, so whenever you're putting little houses together, you can go ahead and use those. It also comes with stop signs and different traffic lights too, which is really, really fun for the kids. So this keeps my kids busy for such a long time. They love that they kind of have like a project to go ahead and put together with it being a construction, so they know they can go ahead. You have the kids using their imagination, building the cars and the trucks, and then you also have them go ahead and using that to build all the houses in the city when they put it together. So this does come with 102 different pieces, which gives them a lot of different things to use their imagination to build with. So if you're looking for a really cool magnetic tile set with a construction theme that has 2 different cranes you can put together, shingles for houses, windows, you have stop signs, traffic lights, everything that you need in a construction site, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.